Hello everyone! Is your car shifting erratically, stuck in one gear, or going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0758, Shift Solenoid B Electrical, this means there's an issue with the solenoid responsible for shifting gears smoothly. In this video, I'll explain what P0758 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. The P0758 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module detects an electrical issue with Shift Solenoid B, which controls hydraulic pressure for shifting gears. If this issue isn't fixed, it can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, check engine light, limp mode activation, poor fuel economy, or transmission overheating. First, locate Shift Solenoid B inside the transmission valve body near the transmission pan. This solenoid controls fluid pressure to shift gears correctly. Next, the transmission fluid pressure sensor is mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. It monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure proper shifting. The input speed sensor is mounted near the input shaft on the transmission case. This sensor measures input shaft speed for accurate shifting. The PCM or TCM is usually found under the hood near the battery or firewall. It controls solenoid operation and transmission functions based on sensor input. Wiring and connectors run between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM. Damaged wiring or connectors can cause solenoid failure and shifting problems. Faulty Shift Solenoid B. If the solenoid fails, gear shifting will be affected. Damaged wiring or connectors, loose, corroded, or shorted wires can disrupt the solenoid's function. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can block solenoid operation. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect pressure readings can affect shifting. PCM/TCM software issues. A software update or reset may be required. Internal transmission problems. A damaged valve body or clutch pack may cause shifting failures. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Make sure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid B. Test for electrical continuity using a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor, compare its readings with normal values. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or breaks. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure the speed readings match expected values. Step 6. Examine the PCM/TCM connections. Make sure they are clean and securely attached. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the problem persists. If left unresolved, P0758 can cause serious transmission damage and costly repairs. Diagnosing the issue early can save you from major breakdowns. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0382. Glow plug, heater circuit B malfunction. P0383. Glow plug, indicator circuit B malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.